everyone. In this session, I will show you the AI features. I have updated my AI, so for the sake of illustration, I will be showing you the adjusting accounting entries. First is the lesson itself, the video where you would see the lectures, plus obviously the PowerPoint slides. Then you have the AI. So I'm gonna expand the AI and show you what options you have about AI. The first thing I am going to show you is it can summarize in a table the lesson for you. Now, what I want you to know about my AI, Farhat.ai, it's based on my own lecture. So it's based on the lecture itself, not based on something that's going to hallucinate. So this is a summary table. For example, in the adjustments, you have 4 types of adjustments. It will show you each one of them. And now what you can do is you can print. So you can print the AI output. So you can go ahead and print the AI output if you would like to. Now, what else do we have? So this is a summary table. How about if you want to summarize the lesson in a form of a lesson? So you could click on summarize and give it, 10 to 15 seconds, and it's going to give you the summarize, a lesson written differently. I like the summary table, and that's why I provide it to you. But this is another way for the lesson to be summarized. So it tells you what's in the lesson, step by step, the definition, the type of adjusting entries, but it's more like a lesson. Again, can you print this? Of course, this is a new output. You can go ahead and print it out if you would like to. This is a new feature. Can you also generate audio notes? Of course, if you want to take your notes and in a sense of carry your notes with you on your phone as audio notes, you could tell the AI to generate audio notes about this lesson. Therefore, it generates the notes, and now you can, guess what, download the audio notes as well. So this way, you can listen to the concepts while you're driving your car, running some errands. You could listen to your notes. You can take advantage of that. Once again, the audio notes are also based on the lecture itself. So it's not hallucinating in a sense that when I say it's not hallucinating, it means you can take the lesson, you can take the video as the base and take it from there. And here's the audio notes. And you can download them. Then you can, once you download them, you can do whatever you want with them, put them on your phone, so on and so forth. The new feature that I like the most is create flashcards. So I'm going to click on create flashcards, and I chose this lesson specifically to show you why my AI is based on my own notes. On my own notes means on the video itself. So it's going to give you some questions to show you it's 100% based on my AI. Now, why is this important? This is important because you can start with the video lesson. You can start with the video lesson and carry from there, and the rest will carry from there. So let me show you why it's mine. So for example, the first flashcard, it says, what was the session focus in this bootcamp series? Is this really relevant to adjusting entries? No. But since it's based on my lecture, it's given you the question based on the lecture. So this is as proof as it gets that this is based on the lecture. Not proof, it's based on this closed AI system. How many types of adjusting entries exist and how they are grouped? Great. I can know there are 4 types, and this is how they are grouped. What are prepaid? Specific questions. You can focus on that term specifically. What are some examples of prepaid? Same thing. So it's taking the lesson and breaking it down into sub notes. What are the key steps in adjusting prepaid expense? Again, taking specific examples, taking specific concepts, and teaching you those concepts. Now you can work them, show all the answers. Then after that, if you want to have this as a lesson, you can print it out. You can download it into a PDF and print it out. And last but not least for now is you can quiz me or test my understanding. The AI will generate 5 MCQs and true false testing you about this knowledge. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna minimize this for now before the quiz opens up, but keep in mind this is not the actual quiz. I do have an actual quiz about adjusting entries. So although I have a quiz inside the AI, it doesn't mean I don't have quiz outside. So I still have a quiz about the topic that's outside the AI system. Outside means you get tested on the concept in a form of a formal quiz. Now, once you go to that quiz, so let me just show you the quiz first here before we go to the quiz. Let me see if it generated the questions or not. Well, let's go to the quiz, then we'll come back. When you go to the quiz, within the quiz, I have another AI where it helps you with the quiz itself. So these AI features are very powerful if you use them properly. They will help you in understanding, in reinforcing the concept, in retaining the concept, in understanding the concept from a different perspective, in a sense of not only lectures, it's flashcards, it's a quiz me, it's summarized notes. There's so many different options for you to learn the concept. And this is what I like about my system, or this is the value added. You can focus, you can take any lesson that you want to, any lesson. I just gave you adjusting entries as a lesson, but you can take any lesson in your CPA or accounting and focus on that lesson specifically. For example, corporate capital structure. Okay, you like my lectures, that's great, but that's not only what I'm going to give you. You're going to have the lecture, and you can have the AI to summarize the lessons in a form of a table, generate audio notes, create flashcards only about this lesson, quiz me. Again, you have your own quizzes separately. So it gives you many options, many opportunities to learn the material. I strongly suggest you use the system. This is basically an added feature to you, an added features to the users. In a sense, it's added feature. It's free in a sense that when you sign up, I had no AI. Now you have the AI feature. Take advantage of it. You want to learn the material? I am giving you more features, and I promise to provide more features in the future. Stay tuned.